What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when we hit the price point of around $11.29, and I've told you that we might hit some lower targets before the bounce. And as you can see, it happens. We went slightly below the range of about $11.29 and we hit about $10.5 mark. And from this range we have this movement to the upside, and for now we are hovering again at roughly at the same range of 11.75. So, on my previous video, I've told you right after this movement to the upside, when SOFI received its bank charter, that you shouldn't enter your position, because most likely we had this movement to the upside as a ABC correction. It is a 3 waves structure, and we had to have a 5-wave structure in our motive wave. And despite of this increase in volume, we didn't break previous swing high, and this means technically we were still in downtrend, and I've told you that most likely we might hit $12 mark, and we hit it right here, and we might go even lower, and as you can see, it happens. So my technical analysis of SOFI ticker is quite accurate. That's why you can rely on my TA as a part of your due diligence. And let's continue with some fundamental news. Let me show you why we have this massive downtrend. First of all, let me show you that on Seeking Alpha on January 29th we have this article. Blackstone tops financial gainers last week, while SOFI takes the biggest tumble. And let me show you this. For the financial stocks that fell, 2 are fintech firms and 2 other firms reported earnings that disappointed on some aspect. Fintech app company SOFI Technologies logged the week's biggest drop, down 20% for the week. And we don't have any reasons why it happens, and let me show you right here. On Friday, Goldman downgrades the financial sector to neutral after the stocks have outperformed the S&P 500 since it upgraded the sector to overweight in November. So definitely this might be one of the catalysts, and other catalyst is potentially right here. PayPal, Block, other fintech stocks return to earth after COVID boost. And let me show you this. On a week 2022 guidance, PayPal fell for more than 25%, and definitely it leads to massive sell-off among all the fintech stocks, and one of these stocks is definitely the SOFI ticker. And all in all, in my opinion, it is just total sentiment for the market, and it doesn't relate it by any means to the SOFI fundamentals. And let me show you some good news from SOFI. First of all, on February the 2nd, SOFI completes acquisition of Golden Pacific Bancorp. And this is the good milestone, and this means the companies settled all the nuances that were during this acquisition, and definitely for now SOFI is 100% a bank company. And I have to say that this industry will have a huge growth in upcoming decade, and let me show you this article. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on February the 1st, and it says CEOs of SOFI, XTMIF, LSPD and AFRM leading fintech megatrends with trillion-dollar global opportunities. And I will put the link on this article. It is nothing special. It is just a matter of fact that these companies are among the leaders of new fintech industry. And definitely this leads to some upside potential for the company. Let me show you this article. On investorplace.com, one day ago we had this article that is titled 2022 could be a whole new ball game for SOFI Technologies. And let me go to this. Because of their bank charter license, that's a good business to be in right now, with the Fed set to begin rising interest rates in March for the first time since December 2018. Remember, banks can charge more when they loan money in a higher interest rate environment. That's why, as the broader stock market shudders when the Fed starts hinting about rising rates, bank stocks are usually a safe harbor. And on top of that, SOFI is definitely a growth stock. This means if Federal Reserve won't increase the interest rates for 3 to 6 months that I mentioned in my yesterday's video, in this case the growth of the stock will continue. Otherwise, if they will continue their policy, if Fed will continue its policy to increase interest rates for at least 4 times this year, because of the bank charter license, this company is on some kind of safe harbor. And let me quote you some analysts. Rosenblatt analyst Sean Hogan raised his price target from $28 to $30, saying the regulatory approval is the moment we've all been waiting for. Hogan said the bank charter will allow SOFI to outperform expectations over the next 12 months. Mizuho analyst Dan Dolev maintained his price target of $17 for SOFI stock while calling the approval a significant positive catalyst. He said the bank charter improves SOFI credibility and should help lower its cost of capital. Citi analyst Ashim Shivakar maintained his buy rating and a $20 price target on SOFI stock. He said the bank charter is an important part of SOFI's strategic plan to offer high-yield products and increase its retail deposit base. So definitely we have a very good forecast for SOFI, and let me show you that we still have more buying pressure from the institutional money, and from my latest video we have new positions for more than $50 million. So in the course of just 5 days we have more than $50 million in filings that were invested in this company in a matter of last 45 days. And definitely it is a good sign. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as usual, we have 2 options. And as I already mentioned in my previous video, if you want to catch the trade, if you want to be on a safer territory, you have to wait higher highs and higher lows. And for now, we still have technically lower lows and lower highs. We didn't exceed even this previous top. This means we are in downtrend. And that's why, in my opinion, if you want to catch the bounce to the upside, just wait for the confirmation of new uptrend. And if you are investor and if you want to invest your money into this company, just do your own due diligence and accumulate your position on every daily red candle. This strategy allows you to have the best possible price for this company, and it will lead to much higher profits. So, and let me show you what are the targets and basically what is the main target that I marked previously. But for now we have to adjust this tool to its lowest point, as you can see, and it is the Fibonacci retracement tool, and I pull it from the very top of the 5th wave right here, from the price point of $24.54 to this one at $10.56. And most likely on our way up we might hit the range of golden pocket, and statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And from this range we might have a big bounce, and this means this might be our first swing trade target, and it is up to 68% of potential profits from our current range. And the range and the price target is in between $19.2 and $19.65. This means if you tolerate enough for the losses, and if you want to enter your position to have these profits, technically you can add your position, and this might be your medium-term target. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!